Hello dear traders, you are watching economic news presented to you by InstaForex News Team and me, Kate Nidachina. The concerns emerged in the USA amid fiscal cliff show no signs of abating. The authorities managed to avert the critical event. Nevertheless, the delay is not a solution. 2 days ago, the President Barack Obama has sent Congress a $3.8 trillion spending blueprint, which confirms the possible trimming of popular benefit programs as well as the necessity to hike the tax on the wealthy. Thus, the budget deficit is seen to contract to 4.4% of GDP for the budget year that begins October 1st. Meanwhile, the Bureau of the Budget expects the budget target to hit -5.2% level. However, let us get back to the budget plan. The document highlights the improvements in the key economic indicators. Thus, Barack Obama believes that the U.S. economy will expand at the fastest pace in 2014. GDP is forecasted to increase to 3.2%. In addition, unemployment rate is set to drop down to 7.2%. Whether the forecasts are accurate or not, you will know from InstaForex TV News. Keep up with the latest economic events together with us. See you later.